Agentforce 2.0 is set to launch on December 17, 2024, just 2 months after its initial release. This update promises to enhance the experience for every employee and customer. With the new Tableau topics and actions, agents can now leverage powerful data visualizations and predictions. This enhancement will provide accurate, context-rich insights through Tableau semantics, improving agent responses. Tableau topics and actions introduce advanced data visualizations, helping agents quickly grasp complex information. Predictive analytics empower agents with data-driven foresight for better decision-making. Tableau semantics ensures insights are relevant and tailored to the context of each interaction, equipping agents with tools to provide faster, more accurate, and informed responses. For more Salesforce Einstein AI related content, subscribe to the Salesforce Developer and Architect Journeys YouTube channel. Stay updated with the latest tutorials, insights, and expert advice.